Proudly introducing the all-new mechatronic system. Easy to use, packed with smartness. MWR system is more than a click. Team the mechatronic click wrench up with the focus controller and you'll have the smart wrench you always wanted. Monitoring torque and angle while error-proofing your whole process. The focus controller stores it all for full traceability. Feedback to the operator is clear, with 4 LED lights on the wrench, letting him know the status of the tightening. An additional stack light connected to the focus controller signals the status or any error of the complete process. The mechatronic wrenches will still make a distinctive audible and tactile click sound to support high productivity. The focus controller handles the process, reporting all results in real time for full traceability, while managers can monitor everything via ToolsNet. The focus controller can administrate up to 10 wrenches, use 1 focus controller per workstation to free up space and save money. If an operator should try to tighten an already tightened bolt, the wrench signals for a rehit. The mechatronic wrenches come in 5 sizes, ranging from 5 to 300 Newton meters of torque capacity. Our smallest wrench is only 177 millimeters long and can handle up to 25 Newton meters of torque. Small dimensions mean easy access to cramped spaces. And with our huge range of end fittings, it all sums up to high accessibility. And customized end fittings can optimize your processes even further. Close the gap between manual tightening and smart electric tools. Team up with a perfect partner where cycle times are critical for productivity. Invest in the mechatronic system from Atlas Copco. The mechatronic system click wrench, more than a click.